Hi there. Now we arrive to the moment when a teacher is looking to assign work to a class. Under the tab called Classwork in the Google Classroom page, there are options such as assignment, question, or reuse a post. We'll start from the bottom. Reusing a post enables a teacher to take a question or assignment or resource that was used in a different class, a different year, archived class, and reuse it on this page without having to redo the setup of the resource, the assignment, the file. Question is simply a question stem that appears in the feed and students can answer right on the page. Finally, assignment is a post that looks similar to the announcement post, except in this case, the teacher will have the ability to grade it and give feedback. And here at the bottom, you see the point total, how much the assignment is going to be weighted. Is there a due date? That can be chosen over here. And a topic, which as assignments get posted over time, enables the teacher to keep the various assignments grouped, perhaps a group of assignments that are quizzes, perhaps a group of assignments that are tests, perhaps a group of assignments that are formative assessments, whatever which way the teacher decides to organize them, if they choose so. It's not a requirement to have categories for one assignment. We give a title. This title is going to be an assignment called It's Your World. Let's go and find a file that was already made in Google Drive. This is a Google document, a live document that can be edited if the teacher gives access. There's the assignment. And the teacher has the option or the ability to choose how this resource is shared. First option, default option, students can view the file. In this situation, there's one document created by the teacher, and if the students want their own document, they're going to have to make a copy of it or print it out, but they're not able to manipulate or do anything with the document the teacher has shared. Second option, students can edit the file. This would be done in a scenario where a teacher is looking to have students edit the file that the teacher created, perhaps a collaborative assignment, collaborative work, where teacher shares with the students and gives them the ability to edit it. And finally, making a copy for each student. In this case, we're going to use this option, and what it does is for each student that is enrolled in a classroom, that student now has their own individual document that has been created for them, and it has their student name on it. We'll show how that works in one moment. So when we're ready, we're going to create a due date. Due date will be tomorrow. And we will assign this